Hi Dan. Okay, so I had a look at the one I was working on. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. So the double menu bar thing. I know exactly what's going on. All this space up here is the margin we use to push this down for the index page. So the solution is going to be this. Open up your index page and open up the site styles menu. Okay, and we want it to make a copy of the menu bar. Okay, and what we're going to do is the copy we're going to rename to menu bar hyphen index, just like so, or whatever you want it to be. But as long as what we do is we take the name of this file here, and on our index page, I just want to see if we can, see there's the menu bar right there. Well, what we can do then is I want you to go in the modify, templates, detach from template. We don't need this attached to the DWG anymore because we're going to make a special version of the page. So open up your index, go modify, templates, and detach. Now that gives us access to all the code in the page, which is what we're going to need eventually probably anyways. And we need to change this site styles menu bar to menu bar hyphen index.css. Okay, now what we can do is close this down. We can go back to the menu bar.css and scroll right on down to the bottom here. See this margin top? Let's just get rid of this for now, okay, and let's just open up the catalog page and see, there we go. That gets it sort of, there it is up here. Things are starting to get sorted out a little bit better there, okay. All right, so I just went back to one of the originals to figure out what's going on, and what happens is because we also change the color or remove the background bar color, we need to put that back. So let me just figure out where that comes from here. And line 315, and what I'm going to do here, let's get a color that matches this green right here, okay? But what we need to do is we're going to go to the menu bar.css. Line 315. You see where it says background none? Yeah, we need to change that to a color that matches right here. So let me figure out what that's going to be. Okay, so we've gotten rid of the margin. We need to change the background color from none to this color right here in the menu bar.css. So this won't affect the index page because now we've changed it. We're going to have to run with two different ones. Let's see what that does to our. There we go, right there. Bang! Bob's your uncle. So that's all we have to do, those two things. So let me just figure out what I did here. I'll make a copy of this and then, yeah. So menubar.css, get rid of this margin top 262. I'm going to send you this right here, this line with this background color. Pop it in there and you'll come up with something that looks really nice, something like this. And this will match the bottom. Thumbs up, client will be happy.